Unraveling Negligence in Electric Scooter Accidents in Denver. As experienced personal injury lawyers, we understand the intricacies that underscore electric scooter accidents, particularly in Denver and across Colorado. These cases predominantly hinge on the legal concept of negligence, a deceptively complex issue that lies at the heart of almost every personal injury case. To successfully reach an insurance settlement or favorable trial outcome, an e-scooter accident victim must prove each element of negligence and overcome all defenses raised by the at-fault defendant and the insurance defense attorneys. Learn more about the legal definition of negligence, the elements of the legal claim under Colorado law, and how our Denver scooter accident lawyers can help you seek justice and fair compensation for your injuries. The elements of negligence under Colorado law. Defendant owed the victim a duty of care. Defendant breached that duty. The breach caused the victim harm. The harm resulted in legal damages. If your accident case goes to trial, your Denver scooter accident lawyer must prove each element of a negligence claim to recover compensation. A jury may only award you damages to the extent evidence shows how the defendant's breach of a duty of care caused accident damages. Your lawyer must also prove the extent of damages you can legally recover. The defendant may challenge the evidence or present legal defenses like comparative negligence that claim you are partially at fault for your accident injuries. Our knowledgeable electric scooter accident lawyers at Front Range Injury Attorneys are experienced advocates ready to take your case to trial if necessary. The foundational element, duty of care. In the context of e-scooter accidents in Colorado, this duty entails the responsibility to act as a reasonable person would under analogous circumstances. To unravel this duty of care, we delve into precedent court decisions, meticulously examine the Colorado Traffic Code, and scrutinize Denver traffic ordinances. Breach of duty. Connecting the dots. The second pillar in the negligence claim narrative involves showcasing that the defendant breached the duty of care owed to you. This breach becomes the linchpin that connects the legal dots, establishing the foundation for negligence in the context of an e-scooter accident. Causation. Tracing the ripples of harm. Causation, the third element, mandates demonstrating that the breach of duty directly resulted in harm to you as the victim. This cause and effect relationship forms the crux of our argument, painting a vivid picture of how the defendant's actions led to the unfortunate consequences of the accident. Tangible legal damages. Quantifying the impact. The final element involves demonstrating that the harm suffered extends beyond the physical and emotional realms into tangible legal damages. These damages serve as the yardstick for justifiable compensation, underscoring the severity and real-world repercussions of the negligence in question. From medical expenses to lost wages and emotional distress, each facet of your suffering is meticulously quantified to present a comprehensive picture to the court. Defenses to negligence claims for electric scooter accidents. The defendant or defendants responsible for your electric scooter accident injuries will take every opportunity to deny you fair compensation for your injuries. They can attack evidence of each element of a negligence claim, such as disputing the amount of your medical bills or whether your injuries were caused by the low-powered scooter crash. Defendants can also raise legal defenses, such as assumption of risk or comparative negligence. Comparative negligence argues that the victim's own conduct was negligent and therefore the victim is partially at fault for their own injuries and damages. If a jury determines you are 20% at fault for your injuries, the amount of damages awarded is reduced by that percentage. Under Colorado personal injury law, if the jury decides you are 50% or more at fault, you cannot recover any damages. It is important to analyze your accident case to determine the strengths and weaknesses of evidence as well as prepare to combat negligence defenses to pursue a favorable settlement or verdict. Our experienced scooter accident attorneys will work hard to gather evidence and present a strong case to pursue the compensation you deserve. In conclusion, empowering you through knowledge. In your pursuit of rightful compensation, remember that experienced lawyers at Front Range Injury Attorneys are here to stand by your side. We don't just interpret the law, we craft compelling narratives that resonate in the courtroom, ensuring that justice is not just a concept but a tangible reality for our clients. If you sustained injuries in an e-scooter accident, contact our Denver law firm today for a free consultation. You can learn more about your legal rights to compensation and how we can help you pursue maximum recovery for your injuries, medical bills, lost wages and other damages.